Here's how to add teachers to your Twig account. First, make sure that you're logged in. Then go to your username, click account, and you'll get to the account admin page. To add a teacher, just select teachers from the left navigation bar and click add a teacher. Just type in their name and their email address, decide whether you want them to be account administrator or not, and click invite teacher. You can also add multiple teachers at once. For this, you go to teachers and then add multiple teachers. Here you can drag in a spreadsheet or select and upload a spreadsheet from your computer. It's important that your spreadsheet looks a certain way. So to make sure that it does, just read this "how do I prepare the spreadsheet" bit. The only information that you definitely need is the user's name, so your teacher's name. You can also add in email address, student group, class, a password, and a username. So this will automatically create several teacher accounts that you can then give to your teachers. The third way of adding teachers is to send them an invite link. So go to teachers and then invite teachers. And here you can copy and paste in a spreadsheet column or a list of emails separated by a comma or a semicolon, or you can just type in all the emails. Then you just hit invite teachers and they will get sent a link to their email address, which allows them to sign up.